But first tonight at 6, a Dane County judge says he'll decide tomorrow if a complaint against Stephen Heimsness should move forward. In court a short time ago, lawyers for the embattled Madison police officer Stephen Heimsness and the Police and Fire Commission argued their cases.
At the heart of the matter, should a complaint against Heimsness, filed by friends of the man he shot and killed, move forward? We have continuing coverage of the case. News 3's Danica Lewis live now at the Dane County Courthouse. Danica?
Well, Eric and Michelle, just to recap a little bit of what has brought us to this point and to this courthouse here. Friends of Paul Heenan, the man who was shot and killed by Officer Heimsness last November, they wanted Officer Heimsness fired, so they filed a complaint with the Police and Fire Commission. Since then, Heimsness has announced his resignation. The chief of police has dropped his own complaint against Heimsness to fire him as well, and the Police and Fire Commission decided to move forward with the Royko Mowers complaint. But unfortunately, the timeline does not end right there. The Wisconsin Professional Police Association filed suit against the PFC to try and stop that hearing process. Today in court, the police union's attorney says since Heimsness is no longer an officer, the PFC has no jurisdiction over their client. The head of the commission said the PFC is obligated to follow through with the hearing.
To go through a full-blown evidentiary hearing involves weeks of testimony from almost a dozen witnesses, the hiring of a hearing examiner, and the review of that record by a 5-person commission. I ask this court to take time to hear our case now, instead of unnecessarily waiting for the commission to finish its hearing.
The only thing that seems to have happened to remove Officer Heimsness from the jurisdiction of the PFC is that Mr. Heimsness said he doesn't want the PFC to have jurisdiction over him.
In those cases such as this one,
Judge John Albert told the attorneys to come back tomorrow morning for his decision. Now, I should mention the judge did ask attorneys what the harm would be in waiting to see what happens on November 23rd. That's when Heimsness said that he would officially resign from the force, whether or not he is eligible for state disability benefits, which he is in the process of trying to get right now. Now, he does have enough sick and vacation time to be out of uniform, but still on the city's payroll until that date. In the meantime, in federal court, Paul Heenan's family has filed a civil suit against both Heimsness and Chief Noble Ray.
All right, something we'll continue to follow. Danica live downtown. Danica, thank you.